is the continuing rise in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere and ocean. It happens when the greenhouse gases traps the heat and light coming from the sun into the Earth's atmosphere, which increases the temperature. This is called the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect makes the Earth appropriate for people to live on it. Without it, the Earth would be freezing or, on the other hand, burning hot. Although greenhouse effect makes the Earth appropriate for people to live on it, if there gets to be too many gases, it may cause the death of many plants, animals, or even humans.
What do you think are the effects of global warming to the society? Let's go!
Health is one of the effects of global warming, which may lead to the decrease of crop production. The decrease of crop production may lead to famine. The effect of global warming is the depletion of the ozone layer. It may lead to the emissions of unwanted greenhouse gases, and it will lead to much more warming of the Earth and more drought.
The temperature increases, and then our ozone layer has depletion. Ozone depletion, meaning, the hole in the ozone layer, making the sunlight very hot. So in that country, it's very hot.
Effects of global warming. The temperature gets hot, and that's all.
Effects of global warming. So to our society, global warming is a very big problem for all of us. So for me, the effect of global warming to our society is the people in our community are worried on the effects that might be derived from that certain environmental problem. So the world is not at ease when it comes to this problem.
Random disease and polar ice caps. It irritates my skin because of the hot temperature.
I think the effects of global warming is very much seen and felt today. Because of global warming, it becomes very hot inside in Earth, of course. And pollution creates holes into the ozone layer that makes the sun's rays go inside, and the Earth will absorb the sun's rays that will make it hot in here. So we should conserve the Earth and make less pollution, less waste products, so that we can lessen the effects of global warming.
Global warming affects the society because the society doesn't want extreme temperatures. In the global warming, it is the heating of the Earth. So they are forced to buy heat-reducing items such as fans, like these. So they are tempted to spend more money to solve global warming.
Hiring the third floor. Okay. So why is it too hot?
Maybe it's
In our school naman, it's not like this. But because the changes, what should we do in this climate change? This global warming?
what do you think?
I think for as a student, because we plant trees or just put our trashes in the
Yes, maybe.
Global warming has lots of negative effects in our community. For example, it has caused the increase of natural disasters in recent years, and it has brought many casualties and damages to property. And it has also increased the spread of many diseases. And it also makes up for the loss of, it also increases the loss of habitat because it destroys the natural resources we have left and what we try to preserve.
Our Earth is in a state of crisis, and we are the cause. We pollute the air. We fill the land with waste. Lethal fuel emissions from our vehicles. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect begins with the sun and energy radiates to the Earth. The Earth and the atmosphere absorb some of this energy, while the rest is radiated back into space. Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of this energy and reflected back, warming the Earth. Scientists now believe that the greenhouse effect is being intensified by the extra greenhouse gases that humans have released. According to NASA studies, the extent of Arctic sea ice has declined about 10% in the last 30 years. As long as industrialized nations consume energy and developing countries increase their fossil fuel consumption, the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue to rise. Our glaciers are melting. Our cities are flooding. The climate is changing. Our lakes are drying up. Our ocean's temperature are rising. Hurricanes are intensifying. Rainfall is increasing. Global warming is upsetting the balance of nature. So what are we going to do about this? We need to make a change, and quickly. Always remember to recycle and reuse. Consider alternative energy methods. Save power and conserve your household energy. Remember, we only have one planet, and it's depending on you to make a difference.